welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox an mosquito killer lamp. Let's get started. This is the mosquito killer lamp. It's in black color. I'll show you all how to use this. How you can all see like this there is. Then we need to pin to a power bank. When we off the light, it will be like a little sound is coming from this, but it's not disturbing, and no smoke is coming. This is a nice lamp to kill the mosquitoes. After we use this product, we need to clean it. I'll tell you how to clean it. First, let's remove the power supply, and we need to turn it. And we need to clean this twice a week or once a week. And like this, we can fit it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Padmini and Mom for more interesting videos. Link is in the description.